Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Bitget account. Just like in here, as you can see, this account is already verified. So how do we do that? So I'm just going to go log into another account. So I'm going to be able to show you. All right. So this account right here is unverified. So if you want to verify, open up the Bitget app. Now go to the top left, tap on this profile icon, and then you have the unverified badge right here. So tap on it to get started. Okay. So all you got to do is just basically do the KYC. Okay. So requirements, your government issued ID, and the face recognition verification. So verify now right here. Go ahead and select the country or region of residence. For example, I'm from the Philippines. I'm going to go ahead and select Philippines right here. Issuing country or region, of course, Philippines as well. And the ID card. Okay. Depending on your region, you will have multiple options right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select driving license. Hit on next, and the next page, just click on I'm ready, and then upload or take a photo for the front portion of your ID. So click on upload, take photo right here. If you already have a photo of your ID from your gallery, well, you can just go ahead and tap on select from album. Okay, take a photo right here from the front portion. Now go back, and this one will unlock. Tap on it, do the same thing, but this time the back part. Okay, and then after that, hit on next. And then in the next page, it will ask you to scan your face. Well, just go ahead and follow simple prompts. Okay, it will be easy. You just have to carry your phone. It will be using your front camera. Make sure that your camera has a pretty good quality camera. Okay, also the lighting. The lighting is very important. You go ahead and go outside for natural lightings, or just go ahead and use your room light. Okay, maybe a white light. Okay, and then once that's done, hit on next. And then after that, if you want to go ahead and check, okay, you can go ahead and go back for about 24 to 48 hours. And sometimes it'll be faster. It could be 6 hours, 2 hours. Okay. And just check the verified status right here. And then once it says verified right here, well, you're good to go. And that is it. That's how simple it is to verify your Bitget account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.